demonstrating there what was called a max effort takeoff, which is accelerating to beyond the rotate speed and then accelerating a further 30 knots before lifting the nose wheel off to a max performance climb. Very useful, of course, when operating from airfields in what are known as contested environments where ground fire might be a risk. Yeah, absolutely. Another example of what is not just airshow flying, but a tactical demonstration, and in this instance, protection of the aircraft from ground fire in contested areas.
So far been ordered for journeys to the largest customer bid. So we've got the undercarriage scheduled now. 14 wheels and tyres optimised to allow the aircraft to operate from unprepared strips and linings. At a speed up to 285 knots.